Children need to play away from screens. Students struggle with geometry. People with intellectual disabilities need a game that doesn't underestimate their condition. Busy adults need to unwind. The elderly need something creative to exercise their mind. People with dementia need an effective, non-pharmaceutical intervention. And how are all these connected? Through symmetries. This is our school. Here is where it all started.
Symmetries are found everywhere. Humans are made with symmetries, surrounded by symmetries, think and operate with symmetries. We speak the global language of symmetries from ancient times until today. In Isometrics, we have put symmetries in Wizzle, a mathematical game of thinking and creativity, which can also be used as a serious game with educational and medical applications.
We started with only one 3D printer, but the demand was enormous, so we brought it home to work 24/7. Then we invested our awards and profits in the purchase of more 3D printers. We designed Wizzle using mathematical rules and produce them in-house, and you assemble them like mosaics in endless variations, with the only limitation being your imagination. You can even design your own unique Wizzle through our DIY interactive application on our website.
We faced institutional gaps and bureaucracy, so we reached out to institutional bodies, entrepreneurs and tax consultants, and we found solutions that paved the way for student businesses in our country. We thought big, and today we can sell directly and through our e-shop all over the world. Wizzle is sold in museums, science centers and bookstores, especially our best-selling art edition.
Wizzle is a game that cultivates imagination and creativity. In moments we are very happy to use it in our museum programs.
A great challenge was to convince the scientific community which embraced Wizzle when we presented it in the conferences of the Hellenic Mathematical Society and to the Greek Association of Alzheimer's Disease.
We use Wizzle as a promising non-pharmacological therapeutic intervention for patients with cognitive disorders, and we are going to include it in several research programs.
I dream of studying medicine, so for me it was a key moment when the World Health Organization showed interest in Wizzle. This has opened new research avenues in the diagnosis and treatment of long COVID.
As an educational tool that carries real human, not artificial intelligence, Wizzle is already used in more than 200 schools and special schools for children with special needs and intellectual disabilities.
Wizzle is a powerful new tool pushing students and others to new limits, even to the threshold of mathematical results. Fascinating constructions and intriguing tessellations are now household items.
We invested in the purchase of a laser cutter and we created the brand new wood edition, which is already on the market. Now we are designing the new cinema edition. We are ready to construct 3D printers specialized in Wizzle printing and boost our production capacity using models.
We are inviting you to visit us at the International Beyond Expo in April 2024.
After this incredible journey and thanks to the JA programs, we are no longer the same. All these milestones have moved us from the side of observers to the side of game changers. Playing is a serious matter. It is not a luxury, it is a necessity. People do not stop playing because they grow old. They grow old because they stop playing. And we have a game that serves as medicine for the mind. It's time to play!